Welcome to the channel, guys. By the way, the most difficult thing on the planet to do is shoot a YouTube video, just so you know. It may come easy to some, but there's just all sorts of things that run into that like come up, like, oh, kids are doing whatever. I usually try to do this whenever they're asleep. It's difficult, just so you know. But anyway, welcome back everybody to the channel. We did change the name of the channel, so now it is Expedition Bound. I felt that it just needed something that sounded more professional and a little bit better, and I think that kind of fits the bill. If I haven't introduced myself before, my name is John Luke. I also, in the channel, I'll be driving a 2018 Toyota 4runner TRD Pro. It is white with the black TRD wheels that come on there. No modifications as of yet, other than we do have some all-terrain tires. Goodyear Workhorse is the name on them. They put them on at the dealership whenever I bought it. I bought it used with about 80-something thousand miles on it. We are now at over 100,000 miles on it, so it's time to do some maintenance and stuff on it. That'll be coming up here pretty quick. But as far as everything that would be in addition, it's completely stock. Take that back. We did replace the headlights with LEDs, fog lights, LEDs, and then did the grill Raptor lights. Other than that, it is stock. If you see me looking down, I've written out a list. I always like to do lists and stuff before I do anything, whether it's videos, whether it's trips, anything like that. So what we're going to do with the channel is we're located in Arkansas, northwest Arkansas to be specific. And a lot of what we're going to do is, like it says around the logo and everything, camping, overlanding, reviews, installs, things like that. We just want to, make it a real positive energy channel to where we're working together with people, doing all kinds of stuff. We would like to get some more videos of some trips going. It does take time. It takes a lot of money to do that. So we are, just like everybody else at the moment. We were fighting with gas prices and things like that, and then it's just tight with money, especially being the sole provider for a family, and we do that on purpose so that we can take care of our kids and do all that, which is why this makes it really tough to actually shoot a YouTube video. But I wait till it's late, and hopefully it helps do that. Again, we hope to do some of the local places, and then we hope to get out and do things like Colorado, Moab, things like that. Eventually, we'd like to do some camping trips out there, overlanding if you have you, as we develop into that, and develop into available time for that also, because that does take quite a bit to drive that far for us. The good thing is Arkansas is kind of centrally located, so we can pretty much anywhere we go is like a 12-hour drive. So if we want to go to Florida, it's like 12, 14 hours, whatever, to most places. And then, if we go to Colorado, it's like 12 hours, or whatever. So it's always right in the middle of everything, which is kind of nice, but it does make it to be like, oh, well, it is 12 hours to do something. But we do enjoy going out camping and do everything when we get in the mood to. It is a lot cooler now, so you'll probably hopefully see a little bit more of those when we get into it some more. With those videos, we're probably going to do some reviews of a few different items, products, the 4runner, of course, that we've used, and things that I've gotten to kind of show y'all. We can do, knives and things like that. We're very oriented as far as Second Amendment comes or goes. We do believe in carrying every single day, you know, whether it's in the vehicle or on us or anything. Being a bigger guy, it's kind of difficult to carry on you unless it's in a bag, or anything like that. But I do have a way to do that as well. That's pretty comfortable. But that is most of what we're going to talk about. Kind of a shorter video, just kind of introduction for everything. But remember to subscribe, like the videos, and then you know, hit the notification bell if you like. And we'll definitely be putting some more content out there for you and bringing you guys along with us. And thank you, and y'all have a good day.